Today I'm going to walk you through how to submit a project via iowaarchitecture.org. This quick tutorial will show you how to set up a profile, create a project on the site, and submit that project to an award. After you have purchased your entries, you will receive an email with a concealed identification number, or CIN, for each entry you purchased. If you purchased entries in multiple categories, you will receive separate emails for each category to better keep track of your CINs. Once you have received your CINs, you are ready to submit your project on iowaarchitecture.org. To begin your award submission, you will navigate to the Login screen from the button at the top right of your screen. If you or someone in your firm has used iowaarchitecture.org before, this is where you will log in with your username and password. If you're new to iowaarchitecture.org, click the Start Here button. Here, you will request access to iowaarchitecture.org portal for your firm. First, fill out your first and last name, your email address you would like to receive awards information from, and your firm name, and then hit Submit Access Request. Access emails are sent manually and only once a day, so please be patient while waiting for access. When you receive your access email, it will look like this. Click the Activate My Account button, which will take you to the portal to create your password. Enter your associated email address and create a new password. Once your password has been set, you are able to return to the login screen to log in. This will take you to your firm's page. From here, you can update your firm profile information, check out our FAQ, or create and edit projects. Now we are going to create a project. All award submissions on iowaarchitecture.org start as a project. Once in the project screen, click the New Project button to begin. Here you will see all of the general information required for your project, including title, date completed, cost, square footage, and building type. You will see that some of these fields are marked Seen by Jury to let you know which fields are included in an award submission and which are not. If the project owner has requested that the cost of the project be kept confidential, you can click the Withheld at Owner's Request box. If there's any firm that would claim secondary authorship of the project, you can input their information in the secondary firm location. Next, you can fill in additional contributors on the project, such as engineers, landscapers, lighting designers, and photographers. These credits become particularly important if your project wins an award, so please take time now to credit those involved in the project. Once you have all the information for the building filled out, you can hit the green Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now your project is successfully created, and you will be able to upload images. You have the option to choose the cover photo, the photo that will be seen first on the project's profile, and then upload the rest of the images. Please upload high-resolution images, either JPEG or PNG files. With our photos successfully uploaded, we are able to view or delete them from our project profile. Now, when we go back to our project page, we can see that our very pretty building has a very pretty project profile. This completes the project creation. Now, when you look at your firm page, your project will appear, and you can go back and edit a project and upload images at any time. From your project, you can choose which awards you would like to submit for. Depending on which award category you are submitting for, you will see one of two forms. We will go over both here. The first is the design type form. Hit the Submit button to enter the submission form. As you will see, all of the information on this page will be seen by the jury. So please keep that in mind when you are submitting and keep all information here anonymized. Fill in each form. If you have questions about the Framework for Design Excellence standards, you can click the link here at the top to learn more. You will need to choose a different topic for each of the Framework for Design Excellence narratives. Once you have each chosen, you will have 300 words to describe how your project best fulfills that particular prompt. Next, choose an energy source, whether or not your project meets the 2030 challenge, and whether it's been logged in the AIA DDX. If you have questions about either of these, you can click the See Details link next to each prompt. Here is where you'll submit the CIN. Please make sure that the CIN appears exactly as it appears in the email you received. No added numbers, spaces, or dashes. Click to sign both the architect release and the copyright release and the code of ethics. Then select which of the 14 images you believe best supports your submission for this particular category. We can upload additional images here from our project or use the ones that we uploaded earlier. When we have all of our information ready to submit, you can hit Save here at the bottom of the page. You will see this green banner appear at the top of the screen saying Project Award Submission Saved Successfully. Down here, the status will be marked incomplete if you have additional information that needs to be included. See here, we have that the project is missing location information. To complete this portion, we will have to go back to our project where we can edit the details and put in the physical information and save that information. Now we can see that our project has been submitted. Until the deadline, you are still able to go back in and edit information in your project submission. Just remember every time to hit the green Save button. The other type of form you will have to fill out is if you are submitting for a craft category. It is much the same format with the generic title, the project description, and the CIN and release information. This form will also ask you for a craftsperson. If your project does not have a specific craftsperson associated with it, you may leave that section blank. Again, you upload the images and hit Save. You will see at the bottom of your project which awards you have submitted for and which you have not. And that's all there is to submitting on iowaarchitecture.org. If you have any questions or run into any problems during the process, please email AIA Iowa with your questions.